Hey, I'm with Dorman Products. Welcome to our wire loom buyer's guide video. Electrical consumables are hardly at the forefront of anyone's mind when repairing OEM wiring or undertaking an electrical project like rewiring an antique, installing a car audio system, or adding auxiliary lighting. However, they are a critical part of the project in terms of safety, reliability, and even quality. An OEM-appearing modification is almost always aesthetically pleasing. Dorman can get you that performance and appearance with our products, whether wire, terminals, loom, connectors, or other specialty wiring items. Today, we're going to talk loom for a little. Loom is almost one of the final steps in harness building. It serves a few functions. Visually, it cleans up a clump of rainbow spaghetti that might be visible in an open area. Perhaps more importantly, wiring needs protection, but that doesn't stop at electrical protection. Beyond keeping the wire safe from internal threats like overcurrent, we need to protect the exterior of the wire mechanically as well, beyond the insulation. That's why Dorman offers several types of loom, also referred to as conduit. Wire is frequently run through areas of a vehicle where it could use some protection. Sheet metal can have sharp edges, and often we fish wire through blind areas to keep things looking tidy. Of course, it doesn't help that the vehicle chassis itself is usually used as a ground. If unprotected copper touches that, a short circuit occurs. So let me walk you through Dorman's offerings. What we have up first is old reliable, and that is plastic ribbed conduit, the old standby that's been used under hood for many years. The corrugations help this type of loom deal well with impact, and the plastic is rough and tumble enough to do a good job of keeping the wire within safe. This type of conduit can be an excellent choice to match existing shielding on a vehicle, and it tends to look right at home on a stock application on older vehicles and many newer ones. For those looking for something a little flashier, this does come in a few different colors, so if you have a custom project and you want a color match, you can find exactly what you need. Next up, we have braided loom. Made of nylon, this loom is a bit more flexible and easier to route than the plastic ribbed loom we just discussed. This split section is less noticeable, and the ends can be trimmed and finished with heat shrink for a really neat finished look. This is not the case with ribbed loom, which must be taped at the ends to keep it secure. Looks-wise, you'll find this style loom used as original equipment, generally on newer vehicles. And finally, we have heat shrink conduit within our Builder Series line of premium electrical solutions. This is our flagship wiring loom product. The wire is inserted, and then, like a traditional heat shrink with a 2-to-1 ratio, it's heated and it conforms to the wires. Now, this offers a really neat appearance and the best abrasion resistance of these three looms. Because it shrinks, it's also the narrowest for a given application. Those two facts mean it's the easiest to fish, too. Perfect for vehicle accessories like light bars and bumper-mounted accessories that might look slick if the wiring was concealed within. Due to the woven fabric construction, this loom also helps keep noise at a minimum as opposed to hard vinyl insulation. The other big benefit here is that this is waterproof. Like our braided loom, this too finishes off nicely with some standard heat shrink. Don't be afraid to use this for other things beyond wire too. Plastic pipe and rubber hose can benefit from the protection our Builder Series heat shrink wiring loom can deliver. We hope you like these new solutions for stock and custom wiring projects and repairs. Remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always standing by to help. Thanks for checking out our video on wire loom. I'll see you next time.